Right. Let's get one thing straight. You think you know food? You think that microwaved leftovers or that sad plain takeaway is the pinnacle of flavor? Let's change that. The real culinary magic, the heart and soul of flavor, isn't in some fancy, overpriced restaurant. It's on the streets, cooked with passion, with fire, with generations of history, sizzling in a pan, roasting over coals. This isn't about a quick bite. This is about an experience that wakes every taste bud and makes you rethink your life. We're going on a journey, a proper global tour of flavor, bold, messy, and absolutely brilliant. From the smoky streets of Mexico City to the bustling markets of Bangkok, 10 street foods so good they belong on every bucket list. Culinary legends, served on a paper plate. Grab a napkin, you're going to need it. I'm about to show you what real food is all about. If you're happy with your soggy sandwiches and tiny little salads, click off now. This video's for people serious about flavor. For the rest of you, prepare to have your minds and your palates blown. Let's go. First up, Mexico. And we're starting with a giant. This is tacos al pastor. Say it with me. Al pastor. Lebanese immigrants brought shawarma. Mexico swapped lamb for pork, chilies, spices, achiote. A perfect marriage of two cultures. Layers stacked, spinning, caramelizing, crisp outside, juicy inside. It's a beautiful sight. The taquero shaves wafer-thin slices onto warm corn tortillas. 2 tortillas. A generous pile of pork. The crown jewel, pineapple, cuts through the richness. Finely chopped white onion, fresh cilantro, a squeeze of lime. Don't forget salsa, smoky roja or fiery verde. Moment of truth. Bam! Savory, sweet, spicy, sour, savory. It's a perfect symphony. Honestly, so good it might make you cry. Absolutely stunning. Next, Thailand. Pad Thai. Forget the gloopy takeaway. Street pad Thai is a different beast. Fast, furious, fantastic. The soul is the sauce. Tamarind pulp, fish sauce, palm sugar in harmony, complex, addictive, sublime. The key is woke, that elusive smoky flavor from blistering heat. You can hear the sizzle, smell the smoke, pure theater. Noodles, tofu, dried shrimp, sauce caramelizes, eggs scrambled through, sprouts and chives, crisp, done in minutes, lime, peanuts, chili. Tip, ask for extra tamarind if they're making it fresh. Squeeze, mix, dive in, a flavor journey every mouthful. Something you can hold, but don't you dare call it just a sandwich. This is the banh mi from Vietnam, a beautiful collision of French colonialism and Vietnamese ingenuity. Light baguette, shatteringly crisp crust, rich pork liver pate, creamy mayo, layers of pork like chalua. Then the counterpoint, vibrant pickled veg brings balance. Cilantro, cucumber, fresh chili, that kick keeps you coming back. Tip, say them pate for extra pate. Hear the crunch, then rich pate, savory pork, tangy pickles, fresh herbs, a little spice. Sandwich perfection. Get ready for an explosion. Pani puri, golgappa, puchka. Not a sit-down dish, it's a ritual. Anticipation, speed, the burst. Tap a hole, fill with boiled potatoes, chickpeas, onions, spices, substance and texture. Two pani, dark tamarind date jaggery, vibrant mint cilantro with a pinch of black salt. Dunk, fill to the brim, one bite deal, no nibbling. Pop, bite, crackle, flood of spicy, tangy water with potato and chickpea, sensory overload. Tell the vendor your spice level, milder or extra tikka. The first one hits, then another and another. Doner kebab, not the greasy late-night mess. The real deal from Ottoman streets to Berlin legend. Quality cuts, lamb, beef, or chicken. Marinated with yogurt, herbs, spices, layered with fat so it bastes itself. Outer crust caramelizes. The master carver shaves thin strips. Tip, lev carving only. If it's pre-sliced in a warming tray, walk away. Bread matters. Warm pita. Toppings vary. Turkey, grilled veg, Germany, salad crunch, sauces, garlic yogurt, chili, or both. Hefty, savory, fresh, creamy, spicy, utterly delicious, a legend for a reason. Osaka, takoyaki. Small batter spheres, crispy outside, dangerously molten inside. Dashi batter floods the molds. In goes diced octopus, tenkatsu, benishoga, green onion. Vendors juggle with picks, turning dozens in fluid rhythm until golden and crisp on all sides. Finish with sauce, kewpie, non-negotiable, ayanori, and dancing bonito. Tip, let them cool. They're molten lava inside. Then enjoy that crisp shell, creamy center, tender octopus. Osaka, you beauty. South America, Venezuela and Colombia, where corn is king. We're here for the arepa, hand-shaped mesa cooked on a budare, lightly charred outside, soft and steamy inside, comforting aroma of toasting corn. Colombian arepas, thinner, often a side. Venezuelan, thicker, split and generously stuffed. Fillings, queso de mano, carne machada, black beans, sweet plantains. The star, reina pepiada, creamy chicken, avocado, onion, cilantro, a touch of lime. Tip, ask to finish it asada on the grill. Extra crispy outside, melty inside. One of street food's perfect bites, Jamaica, jerk chicken. Not just grilled chicken. It starts with smoke, traditionally pimento wood. A fiery, fragrant paste, Scotch bonnets, allspice, plus thyme, scallions, ginger, garlic, cinnamon, nutmeg. More than heat, it's aromatic power. Marinate for hours. Low and slow over wood and charcoal, skin crisps and lacquers, dark spots mean flavor. Hacked with a cleaver, served on paper. Tip, pair with festival or bammy to soak juices and tame the heat. Sensational. Quebec, poutine, not just chips, cheese and gravy. A masterpiece of textures and temperatures. Proper thick-cut fries, double-fried, crispy outside, fluffy inside, and fresh, squeaky cheese curds. Not shredded mozzarella, not cheddar. They must squeak. Gravy, rich beef and chicken stock based, pepper-kissed, thick enough to coat, piping hot. Softens curds just right. Result, a beautiful, glorious mess. Try deluxe, smoked meat, pulled pork, even foie gras. But classic is a triumph. Tip, if the curds don't squeak, send it back. Spain, churros con chocolate. Forget fairground twigs. A proper Spanish churro is a fried dough masterclass. Simple dough, flour, water, salt, piped through a star nozzle. Ridges boost crispness. Inside stays soft, light, fluffy. Light dusting of sugar, sometimes cinnamon, never a mountain. The sweetness is an accent. Dip into Spanish chocolate a la taza. Thick, rich, dark, glossy. Your churro can stand up in it. Intensely chocolatey, not overly sweet. Crunch, steamy interior, warm decadent chocolate, heavenly. Tip, eat them fresh and hot from a proper churreria. So there you have it. 10 dishes, 10 countries, 10 flavor experiences. From the fire of Jamaican jerk to the comfort of Canadian poutine, the crunch of a banh mi to the explosive pani puri, food is history, culture, passion, and skill. Served for a few dollars on a busy street. Honest, real, and truly delicious. Be adventurous. Step out of your comfort zone. Try what you can't pronounce. Get out there and eat. And tell me your favorite in the comments below. Now off you go. Enjoy!